My school is not just walls and classrooms, it's a place where something amazing happens every day. This is our school library. Our school library is a place I'm truly proud of. It is a cozy, quiet, and full of interesting books. The library helps me understand that knowledge is one of the greatest value of our school. I like that in our school we often do laboratory experiments. They help me understand chemistry and biology better and develop attention and responsibility. These lessons makes learning more interesting and alive. Technology plays an important role in our school. We use modern equipments and digital tools during lessons, which makes learning more effective and interesting. Technology helps us develop useful skills and prepare us for the future. Also, in our school, students study in 4 languages. This gives them more opportunities. Homeschooling courses in our school helps us preserve our national culture and feel proud of our traditions. Our school often organizes different events such as competitions, celebration, and performance. They help students develop confidence, creativity, and teamwork, and also make school life more exciting and fun. The best part of school is the little moments we share every day. Studying, playing, and celebrating together makes our school life fun and full of memories. Lyceum has a cozy dormitory. It offers comfortable living, a friendly atmosphere, and for many students it becomes a second home. Our Lyceum is an official IELTS test center, where you can take tests that opens door to studying abroad and getting a quality education.
Бул жерде биз чыныгы өзүбүздү таптык. Бул мектеп бизге тарбия, күч жана ишеним берди.
Менин мектебим, менин сыймыгым.